Hello everyone, I'm Jack. Now I will show you how to adjust the fiber laser marking machine focus distance. Like this. If we want mark on this surface, so we need a mirror from this surface. Use a ruler, mirror from here. From here to this edge. This is scan head edge. You can see here 100 focus 2.3 millimeter. It means from this surface to this edge is 2.3 millimeter. If we want to mark on this surface, so you can see we need to move down this edge. Make sure from this surface to this edge is 2.3 millimeter. So we need to move down. Move down. We can see this is 2.3 millimeter. This is right. Now we can mark again. Now we need, if you can see here 200 focus 345 millimeter. It means when you use 200 lens, you need adjust the focus distance as this. It means from here to this edge is 345 millimeter. So we need to move up. No, okay, from this surface, from this surface to this edge, no, it's 345 millimeter. That's okay.